Every kitchen needs an oven, but there's sometimes just not enough room in the kitchen, so I have a perfect solution for you. It's the Halogen oven from BCHO. As you can see, I'm preparing a sample dish, which is a roasted chicken. It still needs a few minutes, so let's have a closer look at the device. So what we have here is a very efficient little oven. It works with 1400 watts, so it is quite powerful. And how it works, basically, when you lift the lid, that's the heart of the device. Underneath that protective cover, there's a heating element, and it works like a light bulb. So it emits light, and with the light, it emits heat. Of course, there's also a fan that ensures air circulation, so you have even temperature all over in the oven. All right, so moving down, what you get in the set is basically two grill edges. They work like tiers. So you can place your dishes inside, and because it's air circulation and that air circulation carries the temperature, you need your product sort of lifted off the bottom of the floor of the device, so the air can circulate underneath it. Of course, you can use it for a complete dish, so you have two different types of foods. So you have vegetables on the top, and your fish or meat on the top tier. A very cool thing to have is something that, well, not many people realize what this ring is for. It's not only for protection, because the device will get hot when you operate it. It also works as a distance, just to get more height. So what you do, you just take this one out, you place your dish back in, you place the ring on top. And let's say if you have a large bird or a large roast, in order to keep it not too close to the heating element, you just get some distance, you place the lid back on top, just so it produces nice fit, and then you turn it on, and then you get a bit more height in it. So it's a very versatile device, you can do a lot of stuff in it. All right, so talking about controls now. There is a couple of knobs just to regulate the temperature and the time, and that's all you have there. So it's very easy. So if you set the time, you just set the temperature, and the oven starts working. But there's also a safety feature. So in order to make the oven work, you need to press the lever or the handle down. Just to avoid a accidental start, you have to press the button that moves the lug. All right, so once you press the button, you can pull the lever down and the device will start, pressing the safety right here. When the time is up, it will give you that distinctive sound just like you heard before. So let's have a look at the chicken. Just take the lid off, and as you can see, too easy, beautifully roasted chicken, golden color on it, and it literally took as much time as it would take in a normal conventional oven. So great device for a home kitchen, but also great thing to have in a commercial environment. I used to have one of these always somewhere stacked ready for service, just for all those dietary requirements, allergies and stuff. So if someone has a shellfish or seafood allergy, you don't want to put his food in the same oven you just roasted your shellfish for your bisque. So it's a good thing to have in both home and commercial kitchen. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure you check it out on the website. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.